Hey guys, most welcome to this OGPRD YouTube channel once again. Today in this video, I am going to interact with you the DemandScience. Actually, what do you mean by DemandScience and why you have to know it about DemandScience? Actually, unhappy with your content syndication. It means if your campaign is running at internet and you are not fulfilled by your getting customers and your leads, then if your content syndication keeps missing the mark, it's time to consider a new provider. With our 1000 campaigns of experience, trust DemandScience to deliver high quality leads from your content. It means here is a platform, which means DemandScience is providing you a better quality campaign with the experience of more than 1000 10,000 campaigns and delivering you the high quality leads. Our promise is what actually global reach. It means access our database of 131 million B2B buyers. The second thing, ICP targeting. We deliver your best content to your best prospect. Guaranteed CPL budget easily with a guaranteed cost per lead. One of the best intent driven syndication solution. We make your content work harder. Each piece of content you create requires an investment of your precious time and money. Trust DemandScience to get the ROI you deserve. Prevent budget waste by only targeting perfect match prospect. Optimize every opportunity with our dedicated support team. You have got the content, you have got the contacts. It means here you are going to look you at the actual campaign actually targeting leads which you are looking for. So hope I think so if you like to just take a support of this content of this platform, simply you have to click on this button and then you can ask and schedule the meeting with DemandScience. They are going to provide you the solution and the meeting interface with you. So hope I think so is this video is too much useful for your advertisement and campaign purpose. I think so you are reaching to our channel first time, so don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching us. Keep watching us. Bye bye. Take care.